Now you might be thinking, oh, so it sounds like if you're from outside of sub-Saharan Africa, you have some DNA from these other ancient human species, but if you're from within sub-Saharan Africa, you only have Homo sapiens DNA. Not quite. Those ghost lineages we were talking about, those ghost populations, well, they tell a kind of fascinating story. It turns out that there are some populations within West Africa that have ghost DNA. And that means that when the geneticists have looked at their DNA, they have seen that the source of the DNA in some populations, specifically the Yoruba and the Mende, come from a source that is not Homo sapien. It's not Neanderthal, it's not Denisovan. It's basically no human species that we have the genetic material of. It comes from a different ancient human species. We call those ghost lineages because we just have no idea who they are. They exist, we see their signature, but we don't know the origin of it. It might be that it's one of the species that already exists that we know of. So for example, Homo naledi in Africa or Homo heidelbergensis that we know of in Africa. But we can't be sure because we still don't have DNA from either of those two species. But what we do know is that that DNA seems to have originated around 600,000 years ago, probably before Neanderthals existed. Which blows my mind, because it means that interbreeding with ancient human species was kind of ubiquitous for our human species. Homo sapiens were constantly, apparently, on every continent having sex with other species.